ProfitBuilder. ProfitBuilder is a drag and drop landing page squeeze page builder that is used by tens of thousands of online marketers. It's popular because the underlining format is evergreen, versatile, and is easy to use. It's a premium WordPress plugin. You never find something like this for free. It's been popular for the past 5+ years, but this is a new version that helps you create opt-in squeeze pages, sales funnels, webinar, and membership funnels. The features include WYSIWYG drag and drop builder, no coding or design skill is required. 130+ high converting templates that are fully customizable. Optimized for conversions, all mobile responsive, fast loading, and SEO tags enabled. Pro version A/B testing and analytics features enable you to test and track your conversions. How does it work? The ProfitBuilder is available for all users for free. The reason? The greater the volume of the users using the software, the better the margins. In addition, the users only need to deposit an initial investment with the broker, and they will be directed to the settings for account setup and can begin instantly. The process is simple, and the brokers handling the software assist in setting the account too. Here's how it's done stepwise. Account opening. Initial deposit needed for starting trading. Selecting the broker to trade with. Choosing trade settings. If you're aware of how the trading works, you can choose custom settings. If not, then choose auto trade settings. Keeping track of the performance on the trading software. Since the entire trading system of cryptocurrency is subjected to volatility, it's better to start with low investment to bear the expense in any adverse circumstance. Facts. What kind of a result can I expect? ProfitBuilder members typically profit a minimum of £710 daily and more, depending on the initial investment. How much does the software cost? Nothing. ProfitBuilder members get a copy of our proprietary software free of charge. To become a member, simply fill out the form on this page. How many hours per day do I need to work? Our members spend on average 20 minutes per day. This is because the software handles the trading, so the amount of time required is minimal. Is this like MLM or crypto investing? This is not like MLM, crypto trading, or anything else out there. Our software profits with the 97% accuracy based on proven strategies used by big banks. What is the maximum amount I can make? With ProfitBuilder, your profits are unlimited. Some members earn their first million within 61 days. Are there any fees? There are no hidden fees, no broker fees or commissions. All of your money is yours 100%. Free to withdraw at any moment with no delay. Final verdict. The ProfitBuilder trading is legit. It offers an extensive range of perks as well as competitive outcomes. It's a solid tool that has been created to offer users positive outcomes, irrespective of their location. The team of brokers behind the software is continuously monitoring and updating the system to make it more effective and efficient. Overall, the ProfitBuilder Elon Musk is unique and different from other Bitcoin robots such as Yuan Pay App, FX Robotics, etc.